Buildings have a purpose. They're places for people to live, work, play, and grow. Facilities for learning and healing. Venues for entertainment and shopping. Sites for the specialized storage of goods and mission-critical data. Buildings and their huge variety of functions are central to the missions of our customers, and our global operations manufacturing team is central to delivering our cutting-edge products to them. With more than 100 locations around the world, our global operations team encompasses manufacturing, supply chain, logistics and distribution, safety, quality, manufacturing engineering, and manufacturing excellence. Our team works hard every day to ensure our customers are satisfied with our performance. That satisfaction is a key performance indicator for our entire team, including the plants that drive our strategies and success. Let's hear from some of our plant operations teammates to learn more about our manufacturing process and strategy.
Hi there, my name is Karen Adams. I'm a plant manager for Johnson Controls at the Air Handling Unit facility in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. The thing I love most about my job is the opportunity to interact with so many different people each and every day, to find ways in which I can provide support to those who add the most value to our product, as well as interacting with our support teams who help us be successful at the facility. One of the best things I've enjoyed with Johnson Controls is the opportunity to create and develop a career path, and the support, education, and training they help provide to you to become successful on that career path. I hope you're considering a job with Johnson Controls. It's a great place to work.
Hello, my name is Fabian Vega, and I'm a plant manager at one of the Johnson Controls plants here in the Monterrey, Mexico area. I've been with the company for over 15 years now, and that itself is a testimony on what a great company this is. I really like how ethics and integrity are the core values on how we do our business. And I also like the career and growth opportunities that we offer to our employees. I personally joined as an engineer in the continuous improvement department, and I have experienced several promotions over the years until the position that I am now, moving across different job locations and business units, always finding new challenges and working with new people to meet our goals together and grow together.
The Johnson Controls manufacturing operations team is strategic, dynamic, and growing. Join us and help us make a better tomorrow today.